Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and we're back in the music lab with another banger. You don't know what we're doing today, guys. Yeah, man, your friends see from the title, you see what we're dealing with. Yeah, man, today we got artists and no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, today we got Popcaan. You see me? No, you see me? We got Popcaan, no, Pop's calling himself. You see me? Yeah, man, and the one entitled Freshness. You see me? So we're gonna check it out. The unruly boss, so we might deal with today. But before we even jump into that, guys, I don't know if check with it and see what I deal with today. How y'all feeling, man? Y'all been good. Y'all been drinking your water. Y'all been staying prayed up, man. I hope y'all been taking care of yourself, man, and I hope y'all been taking steps towards your goals, your dreams. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all staying on your purpose out there. You don't know what deal with over here, man. I always check in with and make sure it's something good, you know. You see me, guys? So yeah, man, but today we got our vibes. Today, well, I hope it's a vibe. I hope it's the Popcaan still. Popcaans are very skilled, and you don't know when I Vice Cartel and probably Prodigy, you know, but Popcaan who artist right now, you don't know the unruly boss himself, and dropping a song about a couple of hours ago entitled Freshness. I want to check it out and see what I'm going to there. But guys, before we jump in that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe button, turn on the posting notification bells, because you don't know the vibes and energy over here, so you don't know the best reaction for channel over here, so, and family, you see me? So you don't want to miss out on the video them, man. So you see me, you see me, unless you're a waste man, we don't want a waste man over here, so you see me, I know waste girl over here, so you see me? So yeah, man, hit that subscribe button and join so you can get more videos as that, you know. So I'm gonna drop them. But yeah, man, Popcaan and Unruly Boss drop a new song couple hours ago entitled Freshness, and we're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with, cause you don't know how things set, you know. When you see me, Popcaan be dropping hits on, you know what I'm saying? So and Popcaan do a lot for the culture, you see me? So we are check it out. And a long time we don't know the song Popcaan reaction and see what go on. You've been laying quiet lately, so we'll check it out. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Yeah, man. This is Popcaan. Freshness, let's get it.
I don't know the rest of that. That bit's slap.
God bless you, man. Yo, dog diamonds glistening, boy. They're hard, man. Lambo truck, easy now, man. Dog diamonds on point, bro. Clean, easy, no? Unruly boss.
Millions make all week. Fuck a girl in a robe in the penthouse suite. Girl I feel it when the OG speak. She a beg me stuff to put her up on the mountain peak. Them know me style. Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Girl see me how I run the Gucci. Shot in your mouth from your talk just so loosely. Dark me cologne and kick like Bruce Lee. Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Louis V and the night me abuse it. Girl them love it as skull like music. Me money longer than Hope Road.
You know, yeah, easy, no dog play. Well, this is a party bus down there, pan dog. Yeah, man, be a girl and thing, but dog clean as hell. This video nice, dog. This is dog clean as hell. See dog go shopping, dog. Diamonds glistening, dog fresh.
Spaceship in a sports mode. Y'all fully out the boat load. Matic pan belly at the road code. Yeah. Spend money like Black Friday. See me haters, them a pressure me go apply there. Be a thick body girl in a that Black Friday. Try this, kill it, them will make your bat fly away. Yeah. AP a freeze, winter check.
Yeah, man, so you just dropping the video for this song. I heard the song, so you just dropping the video. It's crazy, yeah, man. It was worth the wait, dog. You want to do the video right? See me?
Cuban link heavy and break me neck. Drive on the side, go check me new project. Designer full me new closet. Yeah, Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Y'all see me how I run the Gucci. Shot in your mouth from your talk just so loosely. Dark me cologne and kick like Bruce Lee. Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Louis V and the class me abuse it. Y'all them love it as skull like music. Millions make all week. Fuck a girl in a robe in the penthouse suite. Yeah, girl I feel it when the OG speak. She a beg me stuff to put her.
Oh, that dog a powered by Barry Mercy a powered Popcaan.
On the mountain peak, them know me style. Bad God from east, boy this me send I eat like one of the Henry beat. Pussy them a real, them a replica. Come shoot up on no face, pan the berry top.
Easy now, man. See, they not real, them a replica. Easy now.
Welcome to inna me habitat. Draw for the Lambo, me drop it up. Pretty bad bitch inna the passenger. Come text me on the messenger and I say Nike me Nike, Gucci me Gucci, Valentino me love for your music. Shot inna your mouth from your talk so loosely. Like me cologne I kick like Bruce Lee. Prada me Prada, Gucci me Gucci, Louis V.
Popcaan, you mean unruly boss clean out tear down and play with them, you know.
And the class me abuse it. Girl them love you as skull like music, like music. Clean game, don't play with the G name. Tell me some cute as marine name. One open her legs, fishy feel pain.
Yeah.
Clean every day, not a dirt from me.
Yes, sir. Every day, hey, come here.
Cut off jeans, but a full of me ring. Bully for bricks, a crane.
Oh, Bobby Schmurder too. Bobby Schmurder in that video too. I'll be
here. Be a killer's right a foot, them a full and ruling. Big car, big guns. I grade ganja, travel too long.
Yeah, I mean, man, big car, big. I grade. Yeah, Jamaican June, yeah man,
1942, yeah, me got funds. Every day they kill the money, keep growing like guns. Prada and Fendi, look the more me just a fully unruly.
Yeah,
bend it over right there, so for me truly. Kill me haters, them and get away smoothly.
Kill the haters, them and get away smoothly, easy, no man.
Prada me Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Y'all see me and wear the Gucci. Shot inna your mouth from your talk so loosely. Like me cologne I kick like Bruce Lee. Prada me Prada, Gucci me Gucci, Louis V and he like me abuse it. Y'all them love you as skull like music, like music. Money longer than Hope Road. Put his spaceship in a sports mode. Y'all fully at the boat load. Matic pan belly at the road code. Yeah. Spend money like Black Friday. See me haters, them a pressure me go apply there. Be a thick body girl in a Black Friday. Try this kitty, them will make your bad fly away. Yeah. AP a freeze, winter check. Cuban link heavy, I break me neck. Drive on the side, go check me new project. Designer full me new cassette. Yeah. Prada me Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Y'all see me and wear the Gucci. Shot inna your mouth from your talk so loosely. Dark me cologne I kick like Bruce Lee. Prada me Prada, Gucci me Gucci, Louis V and the class me abuse it. Y'all them love me as skull like music, like music.
Easy now, man, dog. Clean. Big tune. I mean, unruly boss.
Watch 100.
Unruly boss, then can't play with you, man. You do your thing, dog. Yeah, man, and see, man, diamonds are that clean, bro, dog. And like you can buy out the store, dog, around here, blow, Lambo truck, then, dog, dropping the Rolls Royce. You see me cunneling, bro. You know, yeah, the thing is cheap, you know. Hope you dog them buy that and I read to you, them still, me, but. Yeah man, Popcaan definitely doing thing. You know what I mean? Popcaan doing thing. That Popcaan solidify I'm saying as one of the best in the dance as well. So we can't even you see me can't like him. Popcaan definitely at the prince right now. You see me even though you have some other artists that come here like Skilly Beg and you see me. That's all nice. Great talent in that. You see me I say but Popcaan definitely solidify himself for once. He's done so much for the culture. You know what I'm saying? As in pushing the genre forward, and you cannot deny that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, Popcaan definitely doing thing. Big up yourself and really boss. Yeah man, dope ass track. Glad you finally dropped the video for that. So guys, let me know anything in the comment section. What was your favorite part? Yeah, see me, was it the video, the song, the lyrics, whatever it was, let me know. And definitely if you like it, definitely go show out some love and support. Link definitely gonna be in the description. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you know Jambisco done. Send on. I don't know what time it is, guys, and if let me know what you want me to react to next time. I definitely get it done. You see me and you gonna see your name on the screen as well and gonna see your comments all that. You don't know. Yeah man, you don't know Jambisco Dan Mafia. Until next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.